Hello kids. Let's learn 20 amazing words from letter K. Can you say them with me? Let's go. It is a small animal that jumps. What is this? Kangaroo. Can you say it? Kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. It flies high in the sky. What is this? Kite. Can you say it? Kite. K is for kite. It is a baby cat. What is this? Kitten. Can you say it? Kitten. K is for kitten. It is a cute animal that eats leaves. What is this? Koala. Can you say it? Koala. K is for koala. It is used to open a lock. What is this? Key. Can you say it? Key. K is for key. It is used to make tea. What is this? Kettle. Can you say it? Kettle. K is for kettle. It is a sharp tool used in kitchen. What is this? Knife. Can you say it? Knife. K is for knife. It is a small green fruit. What is this? Kiwi. Can you say it? Kiwi. K is for kiwi. It is a bird with a long beak. What is this? Kingfisher. Can you say it? Kingfisher. K is for kingfisher. It is a place where food is cooked. What is this? Kitchen. Can you say it? Kitchen. K is for kitchen. It is used to tie rope. What is this? Knot. Can you say it? Knot. K is for knot. It is a martial art. What is this? Karate. Can you say it? Karate. K is for karate. It is a musical instrument. What is this? Keyboard. Can you say it? Keyboard. K is for keyboard. It is a house for a dog. What is this? Kennel. Can you say it? Kennel. K is for kennel. They are young children. What is this? Kids. Can you say it? Kids. K is for kids. It is an organ inside the body. What is this? Kidney. Can you say it? Kidney. K is for kidney. It is used to hit a ball. What is this? Kick. Can you say it? Kick. K is for kick. It is a red sauce. What is this? Ketchup. Can you say it? Ketchup. K is for ketchup. It is a way to show love. What is this? Kiss. Can you say it? Kiss. K is for kiss. It is a part of the leg. What is this? Knee. Can you say it? Knee. K is for knee. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on letter L.